Hello. So in this video, we're going to learn how to create products in Pivot Market directly. So just for convenient, I'm starting in the main page where you all start when you log in, which is the bookings page or the dashboard page, how you want to call it. But you can we're here to the top left. But you can get to the products from any page in the screen, as long as you look for the menu here to the left under products. So we're gonna click here, and as you can see, I already have some products created, but that's okay. We can still do some more. And we're gonna create it directly in Pivot, so that we're gonna press here add product. So these other two versions are gonna be showed in a different video. You're free to see that one as well. So to create products directly on Pivot, you press add product, and then you start here with some examples. So I'm gonna show a little bit of everything. So the first one will be a sweater. The product type you can choose, and then we are actually in the process of adding a specific feature, so you'll be able to input something if you don't see what you want. Then here in the price, 30. Made by hand, some nice description. So anything that has the asterisk is actually a required characteristic when you create it, okay? Here we have the sweater. So we add that here, and then 2021. And then again, in this page, the only required attributes are the ones that have a ticket here. So I'm gonna put an SKU of 444, and the material, so you already is cotton, and then the color of this particular one is white. So I actually have different sizes, so I'm gonna have to use the variance feature. So first let's start with a small, and then I have to do a version for the other ones as well. So here we write the information, and on this one here you can add the pictures. So now that we already have a size version, so we have to do a medium version, also white, also cotton. The price is the same, and then the SKU of this one is actually slightly different, right? Since it's a different size, and then it's the same picture, so it's saved there. Now I press here. I have to do the same thing for large, and 30, 446, and the picture again. Say, so I can actually save it right now as is. However, I actually, if you saw my pictures, I also have a different color, so it would be incomplete to do it only like this. I have to add the same information, but for the beige sweater. So I would do something like this. What I wanted to show you is that you can save your progress and then keep going later on as you just save what you've done. And then the picture of this one would be the beige one, right? So it's slightly different. And then we have to do the same thing for the medium. And the large. So here 30449. Okay, so now I created all the versions, the small one up here, medium, large, white, and then the small, medium, large, beige, and I save, and you can see them as well created here with the same information. So if this process is a little bit long for you, you can take a look at the other videos where we show how to add products from Shopify. So obviously for this you have to have a Shopify store already created, or add a product using an Excel file. So it does take a little bit of time to prepare the Excel properly, but obviously once you do the upload, we take care of everything else.